Assalamu alaikum friends, I'm Isil Khan, engineer boy, a YouTuber. Okay, I just got a call from a courier. Then I went there, I got this box, okay, from YouTube. I believe it must be a silver play button, okay, because a notification was sent by YouTube to me just about 10 days ago. Alright, so I just received this guy and I wanna unbox it, okay, in front of you. But I have already unboxed it in front of my mom and dad, okay, because I really love my mom and baba. So it must be, it is a second unbox, okay. Okay, so let's see it. And here are some strips. You can just remove these guys, okay. So it is a box from YouTube, a logo, okay. When you open it, I'm just gonna wait a minute. Okay, so as you can see on the top we have this like a sponge, okay, it is a like a foam, okay, just to protect the button, okay. All right, and here is another thing that is, okay, so it's like a certificate from YouTube, CEO YouTube, okay, and there is his signature on it, okay. It is for appreciation, okay. You have just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish, okay. Congratulations on 100,000 subscribers, okay. It's for congratulating me. Thank you YouTube. Wallah YouTube. Alright, and okay, 1,000,000 subscribers may seem a long way right now, but you're closer than you think, and we are rooting for you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so it is like a certificate, you can say, and there is a card. Just congratulations on your subscribers milestone. Okay, so the main thing we can approach over here is this guy, okay. Just right below these cards, we got this thing, okay. Let's go with last. Still there are some cards. I'm not gonna focus on these guys. Okay, the main thing I want to show you over here is this guy, okay, a silver play button. All right, okay. Oh my Allah, it is so beautiful. This is really amazing. Okay, it's written there, okay, it's been written on there, presented to engineer boy Suleiman Khan for passing 100,000 subscribers, okay, YouTube. Just you can see it. Okay, you can see it. Oh my Allah, it is really beautiful. Wow. Really amazing. I'm very happy. I'm so satisfied with YouTube over here because of sending this thing, okay, to me. So thank you YouTube. Thank you YouTube team. Wallah YouTube. And the main thing I want to say, thank to my all subscribers, okay, who made me, who support me, okay, who taught me, okay, my teachers, my parents especially, okay, my brothers, my friends, okay, my subscribers. Thanks to all. Thank you infinite. Okay. Really amazing. Okay, I'm just, I do not have words, okay, I'm running out of ways to say thanks to all of you guys. So thank you infinite, yo jahan manana, dera manana, and ewalla gardish. Thank you so much, see you next time.